Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we will show how to manage the crude operation about particular things of our sliders. I just insert couple of data. This was our you already knows that our main application is that devexplorer.xyz, and here I got the content. Actually, you can also take it here. I just put in our text or a slider, and this is the YouTube video URL also. So that's why I inserted the data. Definitely you will give your choosable data, and all this data is in here. Okay, you got to understand. But main point of that in this video here, I just put in, I show into the front end actually. Okay, so better we just go to our VS Code and also take in action. Is our code editor. So better just cross in is in everything. It's clear actually. Yeah. And now just below here is our home. So just put in the home. So look at that. So return view fronted home.is index. We just got the index file, and also as well as our master actually just take it yield content. Okay. Here start hero area. So we just put in here, just include uh, frontend dot section dot hero, and just put it. I hope static data will be shown in here. Look at this, our hero, and our primary goal is to make it dynamic. So just go to our frontend dashboard controller. Here, make dollar all sliders. Here is the slider model. Why is not showing slider model? It's just too much late actually. Slider, uh, just latest at get. Now just a compact, and compact will be put the all sliders. Got it. Here is our index.plate.php section dot hero. Here is the hero. So look at the better. Here is one div. Actually, one div and one div and one div. We just keep in only one div actually. And here, you already know this. What I am doing now currently. At the rate for is dollar all sliders. Rate in for is okay. Yes, and look at this, the hero content section, heading section, title. Okay, hero bg1. Actually this image is hero bg1. So we make it dynamic. Just don't worry, sorry. I just keep in patience. Here I just put in and also make it dynamic step by step. Dollar item turns to title. Okay, and here is our p. Better just keep reload and description. Not description, it will be the short description. short description. Okay. Now here is our video section. Okay, join with us, and this was view data source. So better I just put here. Here is our dynamic URL. So item tends to video URL. Fine, and we just initially okay. Here we just autoplay equals to 0. Initially I want to pause it, then user click and it will be play. It will be the better option, I think. If you don't agree with me, you just autoplay equal to 0, just move its 1 here. And now this is the main task is hero busy 1. So here is a tough one, and what this here I will be handle. So just easy solution for that style. You can keep background image, yes, url just okay. And this our asset helper function asset dollar item. Here is that. Just go to our browser and check it, is it work or not, or otherwise if you if have to face an issue, and I will take an action. Now here is our browser. Just keep to refresh first. Look, see that what is happen here. Yeah, look at that slider is come background image first, then comes to the title, and also show that short description. And look at this is our video section, and just click it, and here look at that, initially it will be pause, and when you click it will continuously to play. But for copyright issue, I don't want to play for that. And here also, here as the copy link option, here is you make it copy, and just you make it share it. Yeah, but it's not actually dynamic. Okay, so better we make it dynamic first. Then this it's go to our YouTube also. It's fine. It's fine. You can share it. So not so link is to copy and also share it. Not so problem. So okay, this is our slider section is automatically completed. You will see that next step. What will be the next video? Next video, look at that. This is our actual your live application, and here look at this. This is the section. This is the promo section, and this the promo section we will be great. Here we just make, actually this is our info section, this is our info box, and here better the next video we will create the info box. But you know that initially to configure it our backend, this is our backend only manage sliders. So create the crude operation against this info box. Okay, so let's see for the next video.